Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 3rd, Symbolic Birds. Various birds have been considered as symbols since ancient times. Ancient means all times. They have been described in the folklore means tradition stories of many countries of the world. Given below are some of them know about them. First of all, there is doves. Doves are birds. Doves are considered to be symbol of peace, which means calm, without any fight or violence, peace, and love all over the world. Doves are the symbol of peace and love all over the world. Their appearance in dreams is considered as a sign of happiness, and if they are seen in dreams, it means they are a sign of happiness. Next is there, in many Asian countries, cranes are considered to be a symbol of happiness, eternal youth, and long life. Cranes are symbol of happiness. Eternal youth means continued period of a adult life and a long life. Ravens are considered to be a symbol of disease and death. Nobody likes to raven to fly over his or her home. Ravens, they are symbol of disease and death, and if they fly over a person's house, then they do not like it because it is a symbol of disease and death. Fourth is eagles. Eagles were considered as the king of the skies. The qualities of the eagles make them the symbol of power and strength. Okay, they are the kings of skies, so they are the symbol of power and strength. The bald eagle is the symbol of the USA, which stands for courage. Endurance means continue for long time, and independence. Bald eagle is a symbol of courage for a continue for a any painful you can say any painful task, that is continue for a long time, or independence. Next is storks. Storks are believed to be a symbol of love and good fortune. Fortune means future. According to some folklore stories, these are the spirits which delivers babies. They are the spirits which deliver babies. Owls. Owls symbolize wisdom and ancient knowledge means old knowledge. Their hooting. Hooting means their sound is believed sound voice. Okay, hooting is believed to be a warning of death. They are also considered to be a symbol of femininity means a woman's quality or girl's quality. Okay, so owls, they are symbol of wisdom and knowledge, and their hooting is believed that there is a warning of a death, and they are considered to be a feminine means from a woman category. Cuckoos are very lovely birds which are known for their sweet melody means sweet voice. They herald. Herald means something going to be happen soon. They herald the spring season. It means when they cooks, that it means the spring season is coming. They are considered to be omens means future. In future what will be happen. They are considered to be a future of happy marriage life. Many poems have been written in praising the cuckoos.